Alright, you fucking gamer, listen up because I'm about to tell you why your old mouse is absolute bullshit and how the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 is going to send that trash straight to the dumpster. This mouse isn't just a mouse, it's a fucking game changer. If you're still using that slow, clunky, heavy-ass thing that you picked up for a couple of bucks, you're wasting your time. It's time to level the fuck up. And if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the fuck up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's start with performance. If you want to actually win and not be a frustrated, salty mess, at the end of every match, you need a mouse that can keep up with you. The 60-gram weight, it's like a feather in your hand. You can move it with a flick of your finger, and it'll track like a fucking hawk on a hunt. We're talking 8 kHz polling and a 44,000 dpi Hero 2 sensor that's faster and more precise than anything you've ever used. If your old mouse couldn't keep up with your insane reflexes, then it's time to ditch that bullshit and get yourself the real deal. The Hero 2 sensor doesn't mess around. It tracks your every move with zero smoothing, zero acceleration, and no fucking filtering. This is the precision you need if you're serious about winning. And don't even try to give me that "my mouse is fine" crap. You're not a pro if you're still using that outdated piece of junk. This mouse is designed by the best of the best, the world's top esports pros. If it's good enough for them, it's good enough for your bullshit setup. Now, let's talk about battery life. Your old mouse probably needs a charge every couple of hours, right? Not this one. The Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 runs for 95 hours straight on a single charge. That's nearly 4 days of constant gaming without having to plug it in. But if you're one of those idiots who forgets to charge their gear, don't worry. You can USB-C charge this thing faster than you can say dumbass. Plus, it's Powerplay compatible, so it'll charge while you're using it, no more interruptions. Now let's talk about how this thing moves. The zero additive PTFE mouse feet are absolute fucking magic. They glide across your mouse pad like your hand is riding on butter. No drag, no friction, just pure unfiltered speed. If your old mouse is dragging its ass, you're getting left behind while the pros are zooming past you. You need smooth ass movements to hit those headshots, to land those perfect plays, and to not look like a fucking amateur. And the LIGHTFORCE hybrid switches? These bad boys deliver pro-level precision with every click. You'll get that satisfying tactile feedback, but you'll also get reliability, the kind that doesn't fail you when you're in the middle of an insane high-stakes moment. It's built for performance, not for some half-assed casual gamer. You think this mouse is just for one game? Think again, dipshit. Whether you're playing FPS, MOBA, or whatever the hell you want, this mouse has your back. The G Pro X Superlight 2 is the ultimate tool for every game you play. It's got the speed, the precision, the comfort, and the damn durability to carry you through hours of gaming without leaving you feeling like you've just been run over by a fucking truck. Bottom line, if you're still stuck with that shitty, outdated mouse that you can't even fucking rely on, you're wasting your time. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Don't be a fucking idiot. Get your shit together and upgrade to the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. You won't regret it. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a fuck.